We are discussing about that our chapter number 5. In this chapter we're discussing about that the magnetism and the matter. This is our chapter number 5. So this is our section 1. In this chapter there is our introduction portions are there. So first of all we know about that the what is in this lecture we will discussing about that the magnetisms. Okay, so see here. First of all, what is the in now the magnetic phenomena are usual in a nature. So was the it's distance galaxy, the tiny invisible atoms, humans, and the burst or the permanent throw and the throw with the host of magnetic field from a variety of the source. Now the Earth magnetism predates human evolutions, and the world magnet is derived from the name of Iceland of the Greece called the Magnesia, where the magnetic ore deposit were found as early as 600 BC. So, Sapphirs on his Iceland complain that their wooden shoes at times stay stuck on to the ground. So their iron trip roads were similarly affected. So this is attractive property of the magnets made it so difficult to them to move around. So that's why the directional property of magnet was also known as since the in ancient times a tiny long piece of magnet when the suspended freely so pointed in a north-south directions. A similar effect was observed when it was placed in on a piece of rock which was then allowed to fall in the still water. So the name is Lordstones or Lordstones. Give the naturally occurring ore of iron magnet is mean the leading stones. So the technological explosions of this property is generally credited to the Chinese text dating 400 BC mentions the use of magnetic needle for navigations of the sorry. So what is this? That's why the magnet is occurs. So magnet is the come from the it the word magnet is derived from the name of Iceland Greece called the Magnesia. Okay, so this is a Chinese text the dating 400 BC mentions the use of magnetic needle for the navigations on the sea. On the sea, they are using that the navigations. Okay, and then the caravans crossing the global desert also the employ the magnetic needles. Oh, a Chinese legend narrates the tale of the victory of the Emperor Hugh about the thousands year ago, which how all these craftsmen whom nowadays you would call the engineers. Okay, so these engineers built a chariot to which they place in a magnetic figures. Okay, so now see here the magnet is that first of all see here the magnet is magnet have two poles are there. It has a north pole, it has a south pole, and a magnet will attempt to line itself with the magnetic field on the earth. So see here we know about that we are playing with the magnet whenever you are children on that time you are playing that whenever you are child on that time you are playing with the magnet. So you know you are familiar with the magnet, but we don't know about the behind of this physics. What is the physics behind these magnets? So we have studied about the behind of physics. So this is the very easy topic of that. So first of all you have understood what is the magnet. So magnet have two poles are there. Okay, so whenever you are playing with the magnet on that time whenever you are coming to two magnet near to each other on that time they are sometimes it will be repel and sometimes it will be attract to each other. So this is the basic phenomena of that we just know about that. But why this happens? So there are the two poles are the north pole and the south pole. So magnet will attempt to line itself with the up with the magnetic field of the earth. So see here the magnet technological applications of magnet is a large electromagnet used to pick up heavy loads. Okay, see here we in the first figures also you see here this is our large large magnetic field. Okay, what we are using, the large electromagnet used to pick up heavy loads. Okay, so that's, see here, if we need to put up the car in the air, on that time what we need to do, we need to get the heavy electromagnets. Okay, so suppose we are using the permanent magnet, on that time it will be not no, it will be not remove this, if it will be touched, and it will be not remove this cars. But when we are using the electromagnet, on that time when we are getting the electric field, on that time it is a become a magnet, and then after when we remove the electric field, on that time it will be become a ion. So this, that's why we are using the electromagnet. So it is a basic funda of the electromagnet. So used to pick up the heavy loads, and second, magnet used in a meters, motors, loudspeakers. Okay, so whenever, yes, this is the loudspeaker, it's a main things of that. So otherwise, if the loudspeaker, if the magnet is not there, or we cannot use the, we cannot listen the speakers, we can get only so that's why we are using the in the loudspeaker, there are the magnetic field and electric field also are used, and also the magnet are used. So that's why it's important things are there. And also motors. So motors, whenever we are going that the making the dynamo, and also the whenever you are making the loops of motors and also generators, on that time we are using the magnetic fields and also magnets. So that's why it is also one of important things are there. Then after, magnetic tapes used in audio and video. So, and a computer disk. So also we know about that the disk, the hard drive. Okay, this is the recently we are discussing about the RAM, ROM, and also hard disk. So this, all these things basically depends on the electromagnetic field and also the magnet. Okay, and also we know about that the video recordings and audio recordings. So it is also used at the magnetic fields are there. So now the regulation control nuclear fusion research, and the Maxwell trains are there. So recently we are discussing about that the Maxwell trains. So that's why the Maxwell train also, it's a due to the magnetic fields are there. So see here, now the magnetic force exists between the magnet. So there are the two poles are there, like poles, it is a south south or the north north poles are there. So and opposite poles attract to each other, this is the repel to each other. There are light poles, it means there are the two poles are same. So south pole or the north pole. So on that time it will be repel to each other. And another thing is that opposite poles attract to each other. On that time south pole and north pole are there, and north pole and south pole are there. So on that time it will be attracting to each other. So this, see here, this is the attraction. In this figures we shows that there are the attractions are there. See, this is the electric fields are there. We are discussing about that after. Now the magnet, see here, the magnetic dipole always occur in a pairs. Okay, it is a not occur in the, see here, suppose we are discussing about that magnet, on that time simple only just north pole are there in the magnet, so it is a not possible. Okay, so we are already discussing about in the previous chapters. Okay, about the electromagnetic field, but here we are discussing about just a magnetic fields are there. So see here, always occur in a pair. Magnetic pole can never be isolated. If you break the magnet, each piece will have a north and south pole. See here, if suppose we are breaking from here, if suppose we are breaking from here, on that time what will happen? So and from this point we have, suppose we are breaking that from this G point. So on that time it will be also become a S point. See here S, and also here become a N. So there are the another way, if you are break on that time, there are also become a north and south poles are there. So see here, now in this figure, the permanent magnet. Suppose a permanent magnet, unmagnetized ion can be magnetized by the placing in a near strong permanent magnet or a stroking with the magnet. Okay, see here, there are the in the basement of that. So suppose it is our magnets are there, and now suppose we are stroking the magnet, on the time we will get also the magnetic fields are there. And also we have another thing is that the unmagnetized ion can be magnetized by the placing the near strong permanent magnet, or okay, suppose here we have strong magnetic fields are there. So due to this strong magnetic field, we are putting on that time, or we will also get that the strong permanent magnet. And process is reversible with the heat or hammerings. Okay, so see here, see, this is the figure of that. What is what we have do in that, stocking that things. Okay, Now see here the magnet is that, see here this is the magnetic field. Okay, there are the magnetic fields are there, and this is our unmagnetized ions are there. So what will happen, there are the magnetic fields are, suppose it will be coming, and in this magnetic fields inside, on that time it will be attract to each other. And suppose whenever we are discussing about the diamagnetism, okay, diamagnetic materials are there. So on that time what will happen, there are the repulsions are there. So now the magnetic material is classified by the by how it is retains the its magnetism. Okay, so first one is the soft, easy magnetized but easily lost the magnetism. Okay, easy magnetized, if the any soft materials are there, magnetize is easy. We need to become a magnet on time, on the time it is a very easy to, but it is easily lost the magnetism. Okay, also it is a easily lost the magnetism. Second is that hard are there. Okay, so not easily magnetized, but once magnetized retain magnetism. Okay, not it is a magnet, not it is easy to magnetize, but once